Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little bit of a different video. I'm actually going to do a hair video for you. So I have my mannequin head here, and I'm going to try to do a split dye, like a peekaboo. So I'm going to do like a blonde underneath, and then we're going to dye the top of it. Right now this mannequin has some highlights in it and some gross mannequin hair. I am using just cheap products, like I wouldn't use these on clients, but they still work. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Quick Blue Lightener and then some of the Ion 20 Ball. I don't have anything higher right now. We're waiting for an order to come in, and yeah, but first I'm just going to brush this guy out, or girl out. Her hair is so gross, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and I will kind of tell you guys what I'm doing as I do it. But first I'm just gonna brush her out, take a before picture, and then get started. All right, first things first is kind of just figuring out the sectioning. I've never really done this before, so I'm really just playing around, experimenting with it. But I do know that I want it like, I don't want a huge piece of it, so I'm gonna section from right at the bottom of the ear. And I actually think that will be, I might go a little bit higher, so maybe I'll do the top of the ear. I don't want to do a super clean section just because I want it to not be so prominent, I guess. I've seen other YouTubers do it where they kind of make a zigzag sectioning, so I'm not going to make it super clean. Obviously I want it clean enough where bleeding doesn't happen and like the colors don't mix or whatever. But yeah, this mannequin's hair is so gross. I don't know why it's so gross. All right, so I'm just gonna clip that up so I can manhandle this. I'm gonna start with the bleach just because it takes a little bit longer to process. So I did a class on this too, and basically you just take thin sections, paint the whole thing, and then call it a day. So I'm gonna mix up 1 scoop to 35 mils of developer, and we're just gonna get started. All right, so we got the developer and the bleach together, and we're just gonna mix that up. I would say that's pretty saturated. So then I'm just gonna... All right, we are processing now. It's actually lifting not too badly. I did just put a towel over top of the top part just so I didn't get it too messy. But now we're just gonna wait for it to process. It's probably gonna take a while because it is a mannequin head. I ended up doing 2 bowls of lightener because that's what it took. But yeah, we are processing. Okay, so I am gonna start on the top part now. I'm using the Redken Shades 03R to do the darker color. So again, I'm gonna take some smaller sections and try to saturate it as best as I can, and then as best as I can without touching any of the blonde, which is gonna be the hard part. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm at the washing and toning stage now. You can see it definitely lifted a lot better than I expected again. It's very orange, so I'm going to have to cut that out with some ash, but it looks good. And then it didn't bleed as much as I thought it was going to, which is nice as well. So I'm going to tone, and I'll let you guys know what I use then. I haven't figured that out yet. Alright, so I am currently blow drying now. You can see it turned out really good. My camera died, so I wasn't able to show you guys the toner I used, but I just used Redken's 7P and 7V, I think, and just did equal parts that, and then it turned out really good. I will show you guys the after. I'm just currently blow drying it, and then I'll put some curls in it, but like you can already see, like it looks so good. Take off like that top layer. It's super blonde, and then the top turned out really nice as well. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it, put some curls in it, and then I will show you guys the after. Alright, so here's it dry now. Again, looks super good. I'm going to throw some curls in now. And yeah, and actually I don't think I used what I told you. Let's see, I used 7P and then a little bit of 8V instead, not 7V, just to brighten it up a little bit. And then the V to kind of help cut out some of the yellow, which it did. And yeah, so I'm gonna curl now. I'm using the Mint, I wanna say it's like the 1 inch, 1.5 inch, I don't remember, but it's the Mint curling wand. All right, so we have finished. I curled it. I didn't show you guys before I completely obliterated it, but it looks good. If you wanna see some more of the finished product pictures, they are on my Instagram. That would be linked down below, but it looks so good. Love the little peekaboo. Super cute. If you want to get this done and you are in the Lower Mainland, hit me up. I'd love to do it on an actual human being, because human head is so much easier than mannequin head. So if you think that looks good, it will look 1,000 times better on a real person. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, do all that jazz. Check out my Instagram if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.